Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import emails in Substack. This is a great way to quickly add your existing email list to your Substack publication and start reaching your audience right away. First, open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main workspace where you can manage all aspects of your publication. After you've logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your Substack, where you can access all the important features and settings for your publication. Now, staying on that left side menu, you'll want to click on Subscribers. This section is where you manage your entire subscriber base, including adding new subscribers, viewing your current list, and tracking subscriber activity. Once you're in the subscriber section, click on Add Subscribers to begin the import process. You'll notice an option that says Add Subscribers by Upload. This is the feature that allows you to bring in multiple email addresses at once instead of adding them one by one. Click on Choose File and navigate to wherever you've saved your email list on your computer. Select the file you want to import. Substack typically accepts CSV files, so make sure your email list is formatted correctly before uploading. After you've selected your file, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is an important step that you need to pay close attention to. You'll see a checkbox that reads, "These people have opted in to receiving emails." Make sure you check this box. This confirms that the people on your list have given you permission to email them, which is crucial for maintaining trust and complying with email regulations. Once you've checked that box, click Import to start bringing those subscribers into your Substack. Give it a moment while Substack processes your file and adds all the email addresses to your subscriber list. Depending on how many emails you're importing, this might take a few seconds to complete. You'll typically see a confirmation message once the import is successful. And that's it. You've successfully imported your email list into Substack, and now you're ready to start sending newsletters to your subscribers and building your community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.